Building a dependable team is a process, from good rising, Black Feniks checking in. I'm the owner of HogOn Welding and the founder of HogOn University. And today we are live in Birmingham, Alabama, working on your shelf shipping container conversion, which will actually be I would say like a cafe type bar, where they're selling smoothies and coffee and other elements in this location. And then you go in the restaurant, you can go through the drive-through, you get another type of fast food type, but fresh. And then you have the inside where you can actually sit down and dine and actually have a big meal. So you see how he has turned one business into three businesses at the same location. And when you're building a dependable team, family, it's different elements to it. It takes a body, it takes a body. It's like having a healthy body, because you literally need all members. You need the workers, you need the thinkers, you need the developers, you need the ones that you don't even see, the white blood cells moving moving throughout your veins. You need your heart, you need your toe. Everybody plays a valuable part. But it is hard trying to build a valuable team, especially a dependable one. Someone that will show up on time and believe in what they do. Like this brother right here, he's been coming, doing his thing, getting the concept down and making everything look like it needs to look, and then he's actually also, working on the greater ideal on the other side and building his brand, because people come through here and see what he's doing. So when you're building a team, man, it's good to build it with people who are go-getters, people who believe in what they do, man. And there's nothing like a member of the body that's determined to be the best member they can. It's not about the eye trying to be the ear. No. It's about the eye recognizing that he needs the ear, and the ear recognizing his need the eye, and both of them working together. And no one is trying to be someone else. You get it, fam? No one is trying to overtake someone else's lane. It's all about you shining at what you do, he shining at what he does, I shine at what I do, and we can all meet up in the middle, fam. And that's what it's about. I'm gonna be realistic with you. That's what it's about. That's how you really build a team. Doing these conversions, I come in and I focus on the metal engineering fabrication of the project. Then I have another team that comes behind me that does the wood framing and the electrical or plumbing process. And then we have someone else to come through and do the wood decking or the painting of the container, or the, whatever else that we're doing. If we're putting on some satin on it, if we're lifting it up. Everybody got a different stage, and no one is trying to overshadow anyone else, But to actually do this, fam, and to do this sufficiently, I would say, to those who are trying to build their own conversion team, I would say you at least need 3 people on the job site. 4, if you have a supervisor there making sure the project is done, but 3 people can get a lot done. Your welder, your fitter, and your guy that's cutting pieces and parts. So if you got 3 people, you can accomplish a lot. And then 2 people fall back, welders, to kind of get everything going and get everything lined out. But you have to start from somewhere, family. You really, really do. I can't stress that part enough. But I will say this, fam. Keep all of your options open. Believe there's nothing you can't do. And don't limit yourself, man. Don't limit yourself. The opportunities for this is grand. There's so many great opportunities that wraps around building a team. But you want to make sure that you build the right team. You want to make sure you're building with people that's like you. And I think that's where we get wrong there, because sometimes we just want to build with people that we love, people that we know, and it might not be the people that you know that help build you up. You remember, it was a Samaritan that helped the man that was on the side of the highway when he was stranded, and his own people walked by, didn't even look at him on the ground. So there's always going to be probably someone, another member that you're not used to recognizing in the body. You see what I'm saying? That recognizes you, say, hey, I want to help you. The toe might say, let me run up here and help this finger real quick. get them back together, then I'm gonna go back down here and keep doing what I'm doing. So we have to think like that, fam. So think outside of the box, fam. Don't limit yourself when you're building your team. And I just wanted to say for the record this morning that it is a process, man. Everything is a process. You know, there's no big eye and little U's. What's going on? What up with the king? There's no big eyes and little U's. We're actually trying to make something happen. That's right. My guy out here getting to it. You see him? Actions speaking louder than words. You know, we can't make it up. We cannot make it up, man. So we out here getting to it, man. And I just wanted to say it's a team. You need to get in? Yeah, okay. I got you. Let me get the key for you. It's all about teamwork. Teamwork. So that way we could actually kill several birds in one stone if everybody's on the same accord. So just keep that in mind, fam. You know, getting your hog on, you know, it's not about being from a certain area. It's about having a fiber in you that won't give up. When you said, I'm willing to hustle over grounded obstacles naturally. That's what it's about, man. You know, I'm here getting my hog on like always, going to different places, different states, different locations, but I'm still getting my hog on. Like, I don't let nothing discourage me, man. You know, and you know what? I got a lot of things that if I look at certain circumstances, I could get discouraged, man. I could be like, man, I don't know how this is about to work. But I'm not doing that, fam. I'm keeping my options open, and I'm believing that anything is possible, and I'm gonna keep knocking on some doors, fam. I'm gonna keep knocking on some doors, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Since I'm a fabricator and an engineer, I'm gonna knock on the door. It wasn't no door here at first, so you know what we did? We made one. That's what you do. When you're knocking on the door and ain't nobody open it, be like me. Be an engineer. Cut a hole in that motherfucker and put your own door in. That's what I'm on this morning. I said, man, when you ain't got a door, I said, in life, sometime, man, you just got to cut your own door and put one in that motherfucker. That's right. That's and make your own door.
Make your way.
Hey, don't give up, though. Hey, if I can say nothing else, boy, hey, that's the only way to do it, fam. That's the only way to do it. Hey, I'm telling you, that's the only way to do it, man. I was thinking this morning, I was like, my guy came home and showed him how it's done.